Hello guys, today it's me Gwen and you realize why is my avatar like this? I have something I have actually have an experiment. I off the sound because you can't hear it. So my experiment is rainy poop. And this is join this game noob train and dress up your avatar like that. Your skin is poop. Okay, now let's try it. Use this. No walk speed, zero walk speed, jump power, no. And I'm ready. Ah! Kayo ba? Go! I want to go to CR! This is what it looks like! Oh, oh no! Yuck! It is disgusting! Okay, bye bye guys. This is just only. This is the end now. Bye